Hey, I'm Haley B, and today I am taking you on a guided meditation for personal development and goal setting for 2022. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel because this is going to be an entire mini series dedicated to helping you set goals for your finances, your personal life, your business, whatever it is, we're going to cover it. My goal is that at the end of this mini series, you'll have an entire roadmap to how you want to think, feel, be, and what you want to achieve in the next year. So this past year, I started journaling for like the first time ever. I've tried doing it before and just really didn't stick with me as a consistent habit. But this year, I started every single day writing down my goals, aka my manifestations, in super specific detail. And this has helped me realize the person I want to be and how I want to show up every day, aka my higher self. This practice isn't meant to make miracles happen overnight and poof, your dreams come true, but with consistency, this is going to help you have so much clarity on the steps that you need to take to actually make your dreams come true and live that life that you've always dreamt of. So in the beginning of the year, I started journaling every single day, and this is my notebook. And I think it was just yesterday I was using it and I flipped through the pages and I told my husband, look, this is a journal of dreams that have come true. And he thought that was really nerdy of me, but you know what? It is true, and I have used it to help him quit his job and start making money in his own physical therapy business. So he can hate on it all he wants, but it works. So I love to look back on my early pages and reflect on how much I have achieved. And so I'm hoping that you'll be able to do the same next year. You'll be able to pull up your journal and your notes from today and the future mini sessions, and you will be able to look back and be like, damn, I did that. I completed that. I cannot believe how far I've come. The biggest thing I would say that I wrote about pretty consistently throughout the entire year was that I wanted to hit 6 figures. That was my main goal. It was something that I told myself that I had potential to do. I wrote it down in a notebook from like 2018 that I had 6-figure potential, but I never acted on it, and I just kept making the same amount of money each year, and I felt as if my potential was really just going to waste until this previous year when I decided enough is enough. I'm gonna make 6 figures. And I write early on in here about how I would make my 6 figures. I'm proud to say that I have officially hit 6 figures for the year, and in the process doubled my income. And so my big financial goal this next year is I really want to try to double my income again. When I first set this goal, it seemed very unattainable, and I didn't know how I was going to make 6 figures. I just knew that it was possible and I could do it. I even wrote in my notebook, sell kidney ? Because I didn't know how I would do it. But I did, and it happened very organically and very easily. I did work my butt off, but it wasn't unnatural in the ways that I was able to do it. It felt like it was meant to be. And so my next goal for this year is to double that. I want to again double my income from this present year to next year. So I'm hoping next year when I make another video like this, I can say, yeah, I did it, double my income again. And I would like to continuously keep doubling my income. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but it is my goal. So I'm excited to see if I can make it happen. So now I'm excited for you to be able to speak your goals into existence, and next year come back and look at your journal entries and your notes from this meditation, and again, check, 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 you did it all. So let's start this mini series. Today we will be clarifying your financial goals and giving you an exact roadmap to figuring out exactly who you want to be next year financially, what you want your bank statements to look like, what you want to spend your money on, what you don't want to spend your money on. So grab a notebook, piece of paper, or just simply lie down in a quiet space and think on it as we go through this guided meditation. I would suggest putting your phone on silent and giving yourself complete free time to do this without any interruptions. You can even maybe grab your favorite drink or a blanket if you want to get cozy. Maybe light a candle. I will be turning my face off for this, and I will have some soothing music, and you can close your eyes, think on it, write on it, whatever feels right for you. Let's get started. I always begin journaling and visualizing with 3 big, deep breaths. Take as much time as you need to reflect on each question. What financial lessons did you learn in 2021? What financial milestones are you most proud of? Did you pay off a debt? Did you earn a raise? What is something that you achieved this year financially that made you so happy? What financial habits are you ditching in the new year? Are you going to eat out less or maybe do less shopping? What is one financial decision that you can make today that will greatly affect your finances at the end of 2022? Maybe you will get a side job, trade in a fancy car for something more affordable, or maybe you'll make an appointment with a financial advisor. What is just one thing you can do that'll make all of the difference this time next year? What are some things that you really want to spend money on in 2022? A new house? A dream vacation? Maybe more self-care? Where will your income come from in 2022? Is it just going to be from maybe one job? Maybe you'll have a few or make some investments? How will you make your money next year? And finally, what do you want your bank statement to look like December 31st, 2022? Really visualize this part. Experience it. Buy into it, seeing that number in your mind. How does it make you feel? Are you excited? Do you feel proud? Do you feel relieved? Pretend that you open up your banking app and you see that number. Doesn't it feel so good knowing you made that much money last year and how easy it was? And now you can pay off debts, go on that dream vacation. You can do whatever it is that you set for your goal. Take a moment to really feel and visualize this moment. Thank you for following along with me on this quick guided meditation to achieving financial success in 2022. Make sure you like and subscribe for upcoming mini meditations for personal life, business goal setting, and more as we get ready for the new year.